Sorry, my love. I heard that it was not so clear the last lesson I sent to you. Well, you can see this here being together, just like I think you like peanut butter jelly, don't you? Peanut butter is one thing, and jelly is another thing, and they go together. You cannot have them by themselves or one without the other. They just don't taste good. What other one? Um, oh, what about the bottle of milk? The bottle and the milk goes together, isn't it? Because if you don't have the bottle, what is the milk? Or if the milk is by itself, what is the bottle? Or on the floor, maybe? I don't think it's a good thing, is it? So, especially if you're a baby, you have to have the bottle and the little thing that your mom can explain to you. What is that little thing that you put in your mouth there? So all those things go together. Well, these ones here also go together. So you can see it that way. Okay? They just represent two different things, but they go together. So this is one thing actually. Just like this is one thing, this is one thing. Well, there are things that go together and they must go as one thing also. That's the explanation to that, and no more because you're a baby. You're only six, and besides, you just want to stay six forever. So this is sufficient for you, okay? Remember, don't blow the candle in your birthday. Remember that? That's the secret. Okay. All right. So if that's what you buy now and you're okay with it, well, here's more examples of that. So here, these things together, and then this is another thing together. Well, they look the same, so it's just one plus one. See that? There is a one in here. We don't write them, but that means just one plus one. So that should be two. There, two of those things over there. So that's how you should see it. Don't think of much of that. Just take them as is and then be able to identify them. That's all. So you say, and this is one of them, like peanut butter and jelly. And this here is maybe like peanut butter and syrup. Peanut butter and syrup? I don't know how it tastes, but let's suppose that that's the other thing over there. What about peanut butter and bread? Let's call this the bread. Uh, that's the bread. See that? Peanut butter and bread, peanut butter and jelly. Oh, this is jelly. And peanut butter and what did I say before? I already forgot. But you know what I mean. You can always reverse this and know what I said, okay? So these are the three things that has peanut butter in it and something else. This is something else. That's something else, something else. But they're distinct because you put other stuff to it. So that means that they're different now, okay? So this one here is different from this one, and that one is different from this one. So all three of them are different, and you cannot mix them anymore. Okay? So that's that. So given that, then we can say if you have two of this, and then you have two of something that is the same, well, that should be four of that. There you go. So that's what we're doing. You're just thinking whatever they are, doesn't have something specific. They're just things that we work with in mathematics, okay? And to make it even worse, here's another one. Here is something that has three things in it. You see that? That has three things in it. Think about something that has three things in it and let me know, okay? So that should be that plus this here. That should be two of those ones. You see that? So here is three of them, and it doesn't matter what they are. They're just one thing, one thing. That's one plus one is two of them, okay? I'm just making it worse, I think. A plus y is z plus x w p. Well, they're not the same. You can't do anything. Just leave it alone there. So they're not like terms. That's what we're working with, like terms, okay? So mom is going to give you more exercises like this so that you get the idea and you buy it so it doesn't bother you later on, okay? Well, I hope this helped clarify. I have another one, but I'm not going to say it because it's going to go on YouTube, so I can't say it. I'll tell you when I call you, okay? You just ask me, say, what is that you were going to tell me and you couldn't tell me? and I'll tell you, okay? And then you'll like that one. I know you'll like it. All right, so until the next lesson, enjoy it, and we shall talk, okay? Bye bye.